Hi, today I'm with Lenovo IdeaPad and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application, and then in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now let's tap to open the app. Here we should click yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. And now we can see here the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 28.4 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.